Welcome back to Tour the World. In our last videos, we explored the beautiful cities of Campione d'Italia in northern Italy. It is located near Lake Lugano. The areas near Lake Lugano were simply breathtaking. So far, we've visited 9 countries: Finland, Sweden, Estonia, Poland, Iceland, Switzerland, Sharjah, Turkey, and Italy. We've created short documentaries with stunning 4K drone footage. If you missed any, check out our YouTube channel. Today, we're starting our journey from Campione d'Italia and heading to a hidden gem, Cocquio-Trevisago. It's less than an hour's drive, so buckle up and let's go. Welcome to Cocquio-Trevisago, a charming town in Lombardy. This place is steeped in history and surrounded by breathtaking landscapes. It's like stepping back in time while soaking in nature's beauty. Cocquio-Trevisago has a rich history dating back to ancient times. From Roman influences to medieval developments, the town's architecture tells a fascinating story. Every corner reflects its diverse heritage. Today, about 5,000 people call Cocquio-Trevisago home. Despite its small size, the community is vibrant and full of life. Locals cherish their peaceful lifestyle amidst stunning natural surroundings. The town is surrounded by lush green landscapes and sprawling fields. It's a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. These fertile fields highlight the region's strong agricultural roots. As we walk through the town, we're greeted by charming old-styled houses. These homes, with their rustic architecture and big green lawns, add to the town's peaceful vibe. Perfect spots for relaxation and family gatherings. One of the most magical sights here is the low-hanging clouds that gently touch the mountaintops. It adds a mystical quality to the landscape, making it a dream for photographers and nature lovers alike. Cocquio-Trevisago is the epitome of peace and tranquility. Far from the chaos of bigger cities, it offers a serene lifestyle deeply connected to nature. Whether you're strolling through the fields, admiring the mountains, or relaxing on a green lawn, this town invites you to experience the true charm of rural Italy. In Cocquio-Trevisago, history, nature, and tranquility come together, making it the perfect escape. Thanks for joining us on this day trip. Next up, we'll take you to Naples and other beautiful cities like Bari, Pompeii, Lecce, and Otranto. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.